Hi everybody, it's Kevin Piqua here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Limited, stock number CP15849T. This is featured in, I believe this color is called Billet Silver. It's a real pretty sparkly silver, and this is a limited, and this is also certified pre-owned. Certified pre-owned vehicles are gone over a lot more extensively. Check them out, and they also get a longer warranty. These all have all your power sliding doors, touchscreen radio, rear heat and air conditioning, seat belts for 7. This also has the large sunroof. It's got the little shade that is got it shut for now, but you can open it up. Again, here's a huge sunroof on top here. These are very nice vehicles. Oh, I also forgot to mention, sorry, this also has the rear entertainment system. You got 2 screens with your Blu-ray DVD player, so keep the kids occupied, or the adults occupied, I guess, if you have adults want to watch movies. Power sliding door, power rear hatch. If you go to our website sherrychrysler.com and pull this up, you'll get to see all the windows, all the options this vehicle has. And I'm going to cheat and kind of go over here real quick. This will have, being it's a certified, it'll have, well, they put the window sticker on upside down. That's special. But you can see it online, which is nice. Power seat, of course, it's got 2 different sitting settings for the power driver seat for the driver. Power windows. This even has a button you can push the mirrors in case you have tight garage doors, or you go out to eat and you don't want someone to come by and whack your mirrors. Of course, all the Bluetooth control settings, cruise control. Again, this is stock number CP15849T, 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. If you have any questions on this beautiful Chrysler Pacifica or on any beautiful vehicle you've seen on the lot or online, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Piqua from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. As always, thanks for the opportunity. Have a beautiful day.